Greetings all, my name is JD from Studio 2105. Welcome back to a brand new unboxing video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing. We're going to take a look at the Franken Recording and Streaming Bundle. If you're new to this channel, a warm welcome to you. Please do click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell as well so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Please do sign up on the email list, and if you want to become a patron, head on down to www.patreon.com/studio2105. A big thank you to Ganz of Soundbuz for sending me this demo unit. Ganz is an awesome guy. He's been really supportive, and and a lot of studios love him, right, because of all the help and all the support that he gives to us. If you want to hear how the Franken SM-1 microphone sounds like on a variety of sources, check out this video. This is ringing loud. This is one of the videos on my channel. Check it out. There are also multi-tracks of drums, of acoustic guitar and vocals, so that you are able to listen for yourself, judge for yourself, right, how the microphone sounds like. The recording and streaming bundle consists of a single SM-1 condenser microphone, a pair of Mhp-02 headphones, and an Audient Evo 4 audio interface. Now, the Franken SM-1 is a large diaphragm condenser mic that takes inspiration from a well-known model from a German company. Now, though it's not explicitly stated, word on the street is that it's voiced to sound something like a Neumann U87, but could this perhaps be the ultimate U87 clone? The Evo 4 that comes with the bundle is Audient's foray into the entry-level world, right, with an audio interface that has got impressive features and specifications. Kudos to Franken for including such a high-quality product in the bundle. Rounding off the bundle is the Mhp-02 headphones, which is of the dynamic close back type, making it suitable for both recording and mixing purposes. Alright, here comes my favorite part. Time to check out what's inside the box. So here we have it, Franken Recording and Streaming Bundle. Oh, I forgot to mention, apparently Cubase LE is also included in the bundle. So awesome, this really rounds up the whole thing. You got your hardware, you got your interface, you've got your DAW as well. Okay, so the box is pretty cool, pretty ordinary, really nice, good quality. You've got some a brief overview of the product information at the back. MHP-02 studio headphones, SM-1 condenser mic, the Evo 4, right, 2-in 2-out audio interface. It also comes with a microphone cable, and it says here it's a Mogami cable. So this is awesome, and they're giving really high quality products and accessories along with the entire bundle. They're not just giving some kind of generic cable or something like that. So this is good stuff, man. All right, from Franken. So let's open the box. Here we go. Let's start. And what do we have here? Okay, nice foam inserts. Very good, so it's to protect the products inside. And let's check it out. Right, let's start. So there is, of course, right, the Franken SM-1. This is a condenser microphone. This is a cardioid only. Let's see, some information on the product page, right? I'm just going to be reading it off this. This is obviously a cardioid. The logo is at the front to tell you which is the front orientation, along with the model number. It's a large diaphragm condenser. Frequency response, according to the website, is 20 Hz to 20K. That's typical. Max SPL is 130 dB SPL. Right, at 0.5% total harmonic distortion at 1 kHz. Self noise 70 dB, A-weighted, very good. Overall good specs all around. And having tested and tried out this microphone myself, as I mentioned, you can check out the One Mic Sessions video if you want to hear how it sounds exactly. It's there as well. Okay, all right, you can check it out. What else? Some of the minor details: output impedance 200 ohms, right? Pretty standard, pretty typical. One thing I want to show you actually is something that's really cool. Is that you see there's actually no switches here, and then you might be thinking that that means it's got no high pass filter. The thing is there actually is a high pass filter, and let me just show you. I'm gonna unscrew the bottom right here. Alright, hopefully you can see it. You take the cap out, and we are gonna take out the housing, and voila, it reveals the internal circuitry. And the thing is, this is actually a switch, right? This is a switch for the high pass filter. So you can either engage the high pass filter or disengage it by turning it off. So this is a little known feature, right? I think it's probably mentioned in the manual, but you have to check it out and see, okay? Right? But if you without knowing it, you would not know that there is such a function, such a feature. So very cool, okay? So it does have a high pass filter. Let's screw this back on. All right, let me put this aside, and let's take out everything else first and put the box aside, okay? So it's a little easier to see. Alright, so I've laid out everything on the table. So, right, starting off again, this is the Franken SM-1, the microphone. So it comes with a carrying pouch in here. Very good, because you always want to make sure you store your microphones safely when they're not in use. So what does it include? It includes this shock mount, right? This is the typical spider web type of a shock mount, which comes along with it. All right, so very good. Some budget microphones, right, don't include a shock mount, so it's great that they have this as well. And this is the Mogami cable that I mentioned about. This is a 3-meter long Mogami cable, and again, right, this is high quality stuff, okay? It's not like your average generic brandless XLR microphone cable that you get, right? This is the high quality stuff. So again, kudos, shout out, they're including really high quality material. And let's move on to here. This is the these are the MHP-02 headphones. Let's check it out. These kind of remind me of, some of the headphones that come from other manufacturers. It's very reminiscent of something like the Audio-Technica M20s or the M30s. It's probably, it's meant to be in that price range lah. So these are closed back. There's some details here. Closed back, obviously, once again, makes it useful for both tracking duties and also for monitoring and mixing. 50mm dynamic drivers, okay? So this is dynamic drivers, so nothing super esoteric, okay? All right. Frequency response 18 Hz to 22 kHz, pretty impressive, okay? Comes with your standard 1/8" mini jack, but it also looks like it's also got the 1/4" TRS adapter as well. So, all right, you can both inside consumer and pro devices. And speaking about consumer devices, the output impedance is 32 ohms, which is gonna be perfect. You can use it for both your listening to stuff on consumer material. It's going to have sufficient volume, and you can also drive it in any pro audio equipment as well. So this makes it useful. And let's check out what's the last thing. Okay, we forgot to leave this out. This is and we got to open this up. This is the Evo. The Evo 4, which is from Audient. And Audient already has a reputation for making extremely really high quality products, right? Their interfaces, the ID series, are some of the best bang for buck that you can get out of any audio interface. They use the same preamps as they do on their high-end mixing consoles, right? silica gel as usual, and alright. Why am I always having a hard time unpacking stuff? Here we go, alright. And the Audient Evo 4. This is fantastic, man. You know, because this is not a cheap product, right? I mean, it's affordable, it's highly affordable, but you know, this is one of the best sounding and the most feature-packed audio interfaces that you can get. Now, I'm not going to talk that much about the Evo 4 because there is, you know, a lot of information that's already out there, a lot of other videos on that describe the Evo 4, right? And it's not exactly a new product either, so I probably won't be covering this. So super cool that they've bundled this along. It is a 2-in 2-out interface. This is a high Z input for instruments, right? Guitar or bass, headphone output, your volume control, right? You have 48 volts phantom power. I think they got some other key cool features about the Evo 4 that make it really attractive for let's say home recordists, people who do podcasts and streaming. You know, they have something called like an auto gain function, which is very cool. It helps you. It will automatically set and decide and determine what the amount of gain is. Super useful. 2 inputs, right? Combi jacks XLR, and you got 2 outputs, and this is a USB-C all right? USB-C connector to your computer. So there you go, right? This is super awesome. This is all the products. Thank you once again to Ganz and to Soundbuz. I'm going to link the product information to Soundbuz and also to Franken's website. So if you want to find out more, if you want to dig out a little bit more information, you can check it out via the links in the description below. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I have other unboxing videos as well as a lot of other content on my channel as well, so please do check it out. If you have a suggestion of a product that you would like me to unbox or to give a review, please do leave them down in the comments below. If you got questions, if you got feedback, I would love to hear from you as well. If you found this video useful and informative, please do leave a like. Please do share this with your friends. And once again, if you're not yet a subscriber, I would highly appreciate that if you do click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell. Once again, do consider becoming a patron. Special perks and benefits for patron subscribers. Check it out. Link is all going to be down in the description below. See you in another video real soon. Stay safe, stay happy and healthy. Happy recording and mixing. Peace, love, and music.